Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to switch back to the Classic WordPress Editor. If you've recently updated WordPress and find the new block editor a bit overwhelming, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have your familiar Classic Editor back and ready to use in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once the homepage has loaded, move to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see the login option. Click on it to open the login screen. Now, enter your WordPress account credentials to sign in. You can also choose the option to continue with your Google account. If you use Google for other services, this can save time and make sure you're signing in with the right credentials. Once you're logged in and have access to your WordPress dashboard, it's time to make the switch. Look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where most of your site's configuration options are located. Inside the Settings area, scroll through the menu until you find the section labeled Admin Interface Style. This section controls how your WordPress dashboard and editor look and behave. It's where you can customize your workspace to fit your personal workflow. Within this section, you'll see an option for selecting the editor style. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Classic Style. This option brings back the traditional WordPress editor, the one that many users prefer for its simplicity and clean interface. The Classic Editor is ideal if you like focusing purely on your writing and formatting without the block-based layout of the newer Gutenberg editor. It's straightforward, minimal, and perfect for quick content creation. After you've selected the Classic Style option, don't forget the most important part. Click on the Save Changes button. Saving your changes ensures that the Classic Editor becomes your default editing environment for all future sessions. Once the page refreshes, your WordPress dashboard and post editor will return to the classic layout you're familiar with. From now on, every time you create or edit a post, you'll be using the traditional interface that so many users love for its simplicity and speed. And that's it. You've successfully switched back to the classic WordPress editor in under 5 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick WordPress tips and tutorials. Enjoy creating content with your Classic Editor, and I'll see you in the next video.